Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as I mentioned previously, I'm going to be showing you guys how I depot my glitter and how I store my glitter. So basically what I do as soon as I receive any kind of glitter in the little baggies or anything like that, and then I'm also going to be giving you a little bit of a glitter drawer clean with me and an update on how I now store my glitter. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So moving right on with today's video guys, and I start by showing you how my glitter drawer looks at the moment. I am completely embarrassed. Everything is overflowing and just so unorganised, so I wanted to do a little bit of a clean up and really sort it out. And as you can see, it's busting at the seams, so I cleaned out my Alex drawers that I haven't used for a while, and then I am now going to be storing all my glitter in there, so I will take you guys along on the process. So I begun this by going ahead and just removing all of the glitter from the drawers. So that was just basically pulling out all the little pots, and I put them on my little throw on my bed so I could basically get rid of it, and it really didn't make much of a mess. So my stupid husband kindly pointed out that the drawers just pulled out and I didn't need to stand and do all this, but yeah, so I don't know why he didn't tell me right away, but yeah, he stood filming me for about 10 minutes. So here we are with the drawers out on my bed. So I just continue to remove all the glitters, and while I'm removing the glitters, I am slowly sorting them out by brand and by colour and so on, how I want to put them in the pots and all that stuff. So as you can see, we've had a spill in this drawer, so I am also going to go ahead and take some Dettol wipes and really give the insides of both sets of drawers a good clean. So guys, once I got finished with the drawers, I went ahead and popped them back in, sorted out all of my glitters, threw out ones that I didn't want anymore and had a complete destash, and then I also went ahead and potted the rest of the ones that were in the little pots that I wanted in larger pots or so on. So now I am going to show you what I do when I receive new glitters. So I love to use these little pots that I get from AliExpress and also eBay. They are 10-gram pots and they are perfect for storing glitters because they have a bit where you could put a sticker at the bottom, but they also have a clear lid so you could see your glitter mix inside. So if you're looking for a particular colour or whatever, you don't have to go in and mess up your drawer. I also buy little labels also from eBay, and these I put at the bottom, so I write the name of the glitter and the store that I got them from, and then that's how I know what is in what pot. So now I'm just going to go ahead and sort out all of those little glitter bags by brand and things like that. In this little pile is all smileys, so I just went ahead and wrote out all the labels with the smileys on it, and then I write obviously the name of the glitter. Then my next step is to go ahead and add the little labels to the bottom of every one of those little glitter pots. So it's basically, it sounds like it's a tedious process, sorry, but I actually really like doing it. It's quite calming, and I love organising my stuff and finding new ways that I could sort my supplies and things like that. And I'm very, if it's pleasing to the eye, then it completely pleases me. So if I could go into my drawer and I see a rainbow of colour, it is just it makes my day, it makes me happy. So as you see, I am going ahead and I am just labeling all these little pots, and then it makes it easier for the depotting process. Then the exciting part is going ahead and putting all those little glitter mixes into their corresponding pots. So I find it easier just to put the little glitter mix on top of the pot, and then it saves looking through it all. But for the purposes of today's video, I'm showing you the difficult way, go me. So I'm just going to use my scissors, cut off the top below where the little plastic bit is, and then that makes it easier to pop open the bag and then disperse the glitter inside without spilling any. But again, if you want to have a little catcher tray or something like that underneath your glitters to catch any mess, then that's completely up to you, but I just bin whatever is there. So guys, as I've previously said in lots of smiley hauls, when I get my glitters in the little bags, they are the weirdest thing ever, because sometimes you can see the glitter mix perfectly in the bag, and then other times you cannot see it at all. So what I like about these pots is that I get a completely 360 view of everything that is in those pots. So if I'm looking for maybe a glitter mix that I've got little stars or moons in them, or something a little Christmassy, I could see what's in that pot and I don't have to go through like piles of bags and all that stuff. So I thought maybe it was a better way of storing it. For me, it's working at the moment, but for other people you may find it a tedious process. But like I've said before, I actually really like organising my supplies. So with that said, I just go ahead and do that until all my little pots are full. So at this point, what I like to do is go ahead and make sure the labels are properly stuck on and all the pots are clean and have no glitter around them before I put them in the good drawer. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys how awesome these pots are. So as you may remember from my Smileys haul, we could not see what was inside a few of these glitter mixes. So I was so surprised to find out that the little red and pink mix here has little stars in it, it has flowers in it, and it has lots of different shapes of glitter in it. I actually thought it was just a pink and red mix. So again, it just goes to show you how awesome these little pots are, so you can see everything that you have. And it's my new way of sorting out all of my glitters. I've been doing it for about a month now, and I'm slowly in the process of changing all of my glitters over to this storage system. And now for the best part, guys, this is what my new glitter drawer looks like. So as you can see, I like to keep the little Smileys pots simply because I love the little sticker on them. I'm not sure if I will change them over to the little pots here. I may not, because I don't like the actual look of the drawer. But yeah, this is how it looks at the moment with everything set out, and I am absolutely in love with my rainbow drawer. So I went ahead and basically just kind of colour coordinated them, but sort of didn't. And then I also cleaned out the bottom drawer for extra glitter supplies. So I have my little section here for encapsulating. I then have my little section for nail practice tips. I have a section for my nail molds, and then also some more for more encapsulating products. So slowly I will start to fill this up, and when it is, I will obviously give you guys a little tour. But I just wanted to quickly show you that my old glitter drawer is now my bling drawer and holds all my little bling boxes. So in the first one I have all my plastic boxes with all various bling, metal bling, alloy bling, charms, all that good stuff. And then below I have all my Japanese style nail art, as well as my Swarovski crystals. So guys, that's us finally reached the end of today's video, and I just want to say first off, please excuse the lighting in some of these parts. I'm still struggling with finding where to put my light boxes and all that stuff so I get perfect lighting, but it was really sunny outside and I thought I would try natural light, but it did not work, so we will stick to fake light, sorry. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed having a little nosy around my reorganisation of my glitter collection, and if you did enjoy today's video, please give me a thumbs up, I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie, I am a complete nail polish addict, and on this channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. So if that's something that piques your interest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that notifications bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!